PayRu, an easy and efficient way to send money. To sign up, firstly download the PayRu app from the Play Store or the App Store. Open up the PayRu app on your Android or iOS device. Click on Sign Up. Select New Member. Enter your email address, set your private PIN and click on the arrow. Then enter the verification code that you receive on your entered email address and click on Verify Code. Enter your name, date of birth and your contact number and click on Continue. Then enter your nationality and your complete residential address and click on Continue. Then select any of your valid IDs, that is, a photo identification card, driving licence, passport, etc., whichever is convenient for you from the list. Enter the ID number and expiry date. If you are uploading passport as your ID, then you must upload an additional document to verify your current residential address. Click on Upload to upload the photos of the front and back side of your ID from your photo gallery, or you can directly take a photo with your camera. After verifying your documents, your account will be fully active and you can easily send money from PayRu to your loved ones 24/7.